We're at the park, and this is Kristen.
Hello.
Yep, riding the duck. What's his name?
Ducky.
Is it a boy or a girl? Let's hope it's a boy now.
What?
You know what I mean, Jelly Bean. This is my park.
I'm getting off of this.
Hey, let's go ride those thingy bobbers.
Okay. I don't know what you mean. Look!
What is it, the cute guy? Oh.
No.
Sucks.
The little kid.
A shovel!
Looks like poop flinging in there.
Don't you dare, Kristen. Don't you. Kristen! Oh, why am I wearing a skirt today? Look how many skirts coming up. Oh, sorry, guys. Oh my God. Get away from me.
I don't have any stem left.
You don't have any. Oh. Oh, there's some dude. I thought it was a guy.
What?
Dude, I got a cramp now from running.
I'll take the computer. Did you start it?
Yeah, I started it. Now I'm wearing a skirt. Oh yeah, run that ducky. Ow! Don't you dare! She just wants the duck. You're nasty. Poor duck. Get away from me, Kristen. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God! Kristen! Dude, look at my leg! I thought we made a truce! Oh my!
Dancing in front of cars, yeah!
Too bad there is none. You dance like a... I was gonna say it. Dance!
That guy was old!
Oh!
Oh my God.
Okay,
What?
do like the Macarena or something.
Wait.
Look at you go, you wild child. Ow, ow.
That was a child molester. That was...
Look at that car.
That guy was funny.
Yeah, hey. He smiled.
People look like I'm crazy.
They laugh at you. You are crazy.
What if people don't like me?
Oh, come on now.
I know that. People are mean. Cars are coming that way. And cars are coming this way.
Huh?
Cars are coming both ways. Ready?
Okay, we'll do chicken and duck.
Can. Oh.
Yeah, do the can, girl.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God, they laugh at you. That lady was like crazy looking at you, Kristen.
She's like looking at me like I was crazy.
No. Poor little birdie. You never had a chance.
I'm opening its eyes. It's its eyes open.
R.I.P. birdie. Where's its body?